front of me is TECNO Pop 7, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and click on More Connections right away. Then select Printing and click on Default Print Service, or tap on Add Service and download the best one for you. Then access it in the same settings. Wherever you decide, when you finish, click on Desired Service. Tap on this switcher if it's not already on. And wait! Your device is now searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!